So today we'll learn the reasons why your John Deere LA130 lawnmower won't start. First could be your mower blade switch is on, push it down. Second could be this thing is pulled out, so make sure it's back. And other could be your battery is dead, so I just got a new battery, or your connections to the batteries are loose, they're good, or this is broken, it connects over there. It's called John Deere's positive battery connector, and I'll show you how it sounds if I try to crank. This is the new one that I got. So this is how it sounds if I try to crank it. That's what it sounds. So I'm just gonna switch the cable. I'm gonna switch that cable and we'll see if it turns on. Also, you'll need a 1/2 inch wrench to unscrew this nut.
After you loosen it up, just unscrew it.
And unscrew the battery, you'll need a 10 mm wrench.
Yeah, it's unscrewed.
And then just pull this connector out. It was a little tight, I pulled it out, and I'm just gonna pull it out now to show you. It just comes out like that. You might need 2 hands or a little force, but be very careful, don't break that one. So it's out now, and we're gonna put a new one now. Okay, so once you get your positive cable for your battery, connect your battery to the battery, and this thing, I think it's a starter, I'm not sure, but you connect this over there, and then this tiny wire goes into this thing. So that's all. Okay, so let's see if this thing turns on now.